What is Udimi? Udimi is a free website where a user can hire people to send out emails to the list users may have and redirect these emails to either the user's website or landing page. A user can choose who he or she will pay as a seller, and price will depend on the seller picked and the number of clicks desired daily. Udimi is a solo ads marketplace where sellers and buyers get in contact with each other to trade solo ads deals. How much does it cost you? You make a payment in advance but will be charged per click. Means you'll only be charged each time a recipient clicked to open your landing page. Plus $3 flat administration fee to Udimi each time you place a solo ad order. With sellers advertised in Udimi, typical fee is around 35 cents, 60 cents per click. The number of clicks starts from 50 up to 1,000. So if a seller's fee is 50 cents per click and you want your swipe email clicked by 100 people, it will be $50. Plus $3 admin fee equals $53 in total to pay in advance. Why is Udimi solo ads a great option for increasing sales? There are a few reasons why solo ads are the best option for increasing sales and boosting your company's revenue. 1. Discount options for buyers. Udimi provides amazing discount options for buyers. If a buyer purchases the service and drops feedback for the seller by rating them, you can get a $5 discount. 2. Economical rates. The reason why business owners prefer Udimi solo ads are because they are so much cheaper and more economical than any other ads. Many other ads platforms such as AdSense, Facebook ads. 3. Complete information in one solo ad. You can provide complete information regarding your business in a solo ad and save the hassle of repeatedly informing your potential clients the motive behind your business. 4. Save information for future use. With any other ad service, the information is lost as the users skip ads. However, with Udimi solo ads, the information is saved for the future. 5. Real, legitimate email lists. Udimi is the biggest solo ads provider. The reason why it is at the #1 spot is that it maintains the quality of service provided by making sure that the data and the email addresses being utilized are 100% real and in use of the clients. 6. Easy-to-use interface. Udimi is extremely easy to use even for beginners. The signing up process is absolutely free, and it has a huge market of sellers who are providing the services in different classifications. 7. Filters available for buyers' comfort. To make browsing easier and more hassle-free, filters are available. If you want to see sellers in particular ratings, sales and delivered, and conversion rates of the solo ad, you can simply select that through filters. How to place an order. 1. Choose a desired date to get your email ad sent out. The available date for the seller is shown in bold. 2. How many clicks you want to buy. For example, if the seller charges you 42 cents per click. So if you want to buy 50 clicks, it will be 50 multiply 42 cents equals $21. Plus $3 admin fee to pay. 3. Filters, only T1 countries are wealthiest countries of the world, including USA, Canada, UK, Australia, Singapore. 4. Filters, no proxy. Visitors who use transparent proxy cannot be identified by their IP address. They can be excluded by paying 15 cents extra per click. 2% of the visitors that this particular seller in the example use transparent proxy. 5. Filters, no mobile. Visitors on mobile devices can be filtered by paying 15 cents extra per click. Useful if your site is not mobile friendly. 5% of the visitors in this seller are on mobile devices. 6. Type, email solo ad means the seller will send your swipe to own list of subscribers, whilst web solo ad means they will put your link on own website, social media page such as Facebook, that has relevant traffic to your ad. 7. Swipe, this is where you type in your swipe ad title in the subject box, then your sales letter in the main box. Prime membership. Udimi users has the option to upgrade their accounts to the Prime membership, which costs $19.95. If you get a Prime membership, you will get an advanced filtering on all your solos on top of base filtering. Udimi uses JavaScript, IPv6 and HTML5 to kill even more useless visits and save your money. Furthermore, it helps them to identify potentially bad sellers and to prevent click fraud in future. On top of that, you'll be able to earn higher affiliate commissions, 50% from the Prime subscriptions of your referrals and 15% from each solo they buy. Also, there is an option To create custom affiliate agreements with Udimi vendors and earn even higher commission, it can go as high as 90%. Conclusion: if you want to increase your traffic, I really recommend Udimi. For you, Udimi is a handy platform to find solo ad sellers. And by keeping good relationship with good sellers, you can steadily increase the number of subscribers, hence increase your sales. Now, what you think about Udimi? If you sign up on Udimi through the link in the description, you'll get a $5 free gift credit to spend on your very first solo ad purchase. Thank you for watching the video. Do not forget to subscribe and like. There are links in the description box that will be useful to you.